Hello everyone, this is King of Review, and we're going to be doing this question. Find which one has the same expansion as f of x plus 9 when f of x is equal to x squared plus 6x. Alright, so let's write down the equation. F of x plus 9. So we're going to figure out which one of these over here is going to be the same as f of x plus 9. Well, what is f of x? It says right here. F of x is equal to x squared plus 6x, so we could just put this in here, substitute it. So this is going to say x squared plus 6x plus 9. Alright, now we're going to look into these over here and say which one is going to be the same as this. Well, there's one smart way of thinking about this. Because in the previous videos, we've been talking about how a plus b squared is just going to be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, right? So if you think about it, if you look at this number right here on the end, it has to be this b squared number. Well, what is the b for a? This option A. It's negative 3. What about option B? It's 3. And what about option C? It's negative 9. What about option D? It's going to be 9. So you already know that certain one of these options are going to be wrong. Because for option C and D, what is this very end, the number at the very end going to be? Well, you're going to do b squared. So for C, it's going to be negative 9 squared. So that's going to be 81. What about D? Well, it says positive 9. So that's going to be positive 9 squared, because we're going to do b squared, right? So that's going to be 81 too. Which means automatically that C and D can't be the right answer. So it's got to be A or B, because A, when you do b squared, you're going to get negative 3 squared, which is 9. And for B, you're going to have positive 3 squared, which is 9 as well. So now you have to just think, well, which one, A or B, is going to give me the right answer? Well, then you can just look into this number right here in the middle. It says 2AB. This number has to be 6x, positive 6x. So if you think about A, well, I'm going to do 2 times A, which is going to be x for option A, and then times B, which is going to be negative 3. And if you look into option B, that's going to be 2 times x times positive 3. So this is going to come out to negative 6x, and this is going to come out to positive 6x, and you want a positive 6x, which means that option B is the correct answer. Now you don't even need to look into the x squared, because you already know, looking at this right here, that your very first number, a squared, is going to be your x squared no matter what. So the answer for this question is going to be B.